Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Jack, and today I'll be doing a full comparison of the Jaybird X4 and Jaybird Freedom wireless earbuds. As you can see, Jaybird over the years has made quite a few design changes to their earbuds. On the X4s, they have a larger sound engine than the Freedoms. That does make them bigger, but it's worth it for the sound quality. On the X4s, you now have the option to change the color of the top of the tips when you first buy the earbuds. As far as battery life is concerned, the Jaybird X4s can go a lot longer while having a slimmer design than the original Jaybird Freedoms. All you need now is just the charging cable, which comes with the adapter pre-installed on it, and you no longer need the battery inside of this because the battery is way longer on the headphones than it is inside this clip. And for the X4s, Jaybird has decided to move over to a nylon carrying pouch instead of the original leather one that they've had in all previous models. The Jaybird X4s have a newly redesigned rubber tip along with the Comply foam tip, which has been featured in previous X models, and the Jaybird Freedoms come with their original Jaybird rubber tip. So that about wraps up this video on the comparison of the Jaybird X4 and Jaybird Freedom wireless earbuds, and like always, thanks for watching.